I am making my sugar syrup and have it preserved for my cakes. I'm going to be baking cakes soon again. So guys, when you make your sugar syrup, it helps keeps your cake moist. If you go 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and then I do 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, guys. So that's what's boiling over here. And then once all of the sugar boil, you guys can see pretty much all of my sugar is starting to boil out. So that is how you make your sugar syrup. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and let it come to the point of all the sugar boiling out. So now guys, I want to find a container to store it in. So what I did, I cleaned the old jelly jar, guys. Cleaned that real good. And I'm going to take my drill, because this is kind of like some form of aluminum. Okay, my camera's sliding. Hold on. There we go. This is kind of like aluminum pan, aluminum top. So I'm going to take the drill and so I drilled a hole in it, guys. So see that? When I do the sugar syrup on the cake, just one hole, and it'll keep my cake moist. So if you guys want to find different jars or something to make, so this all I need is one hole, because the drill hole is pretty big. And my sugar syrup is going to go in here, guys. So my sugar syrup is ready. All the sugar has evaporated. And now, I wonder if it's too hot. I probably shouldn't put it in here now. It's probably too hot. But you guys see, that's kind of what it's going to look like, guys. And it's going to be transported to this jar, guys. And this is going to go in the refrigerator. And when I'm ready to use it, guys, for my cake, it'll be already prepared. So, guys, when you do it, all the sugar needs to evaporate out. But don't do more. Make it even. So you got to do, if you do a half a cup, if you do a cup of water to 1 cup of sugar. Don't do 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, because it's not going to be the right consistency. So now this is ready, guys, and I'm going to put, and I got a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. This is going to go in the refrigerator, and it's going to chill, and it's going to be available for my cakes. And a lot of times, guys, another thing I do, this is my strawberry jam. I pre-make this at times when I'm going to use the filling in my cakes and just have it in the jars. Like if you're going to make a cake by tomorrow, you can do your jam and have your jam already ready and chill and ready for your cakes, guys. So pre-make and have it available. So this is how you make the sugar syrup, guys, that keeps your cake moist. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots, you guys. This recipe is super easy, but this will make your cake so moist and taste like it came right out of the bakery, guys. So try this Simply Sugar Syrup to enhance moisture in your cake. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.